Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is just one more little video on this macro that's free that I'll leave a link to at the bottom. But what it can do is incredible, and you can do some of this with the blend tool. And so we got a straight line. I made it 16 inches long, so it'd be perfect. I'm going to do my circles at a ½ inch, 1 inch apart, and create circles. You can do the same thing with the blend tool. If let's just take that away, but you can't do it, some things with the blend tool that this program could do. Holding down the control button to make it perpendicular, make it 16, and we're going to draw a circle that's a ½ inch like the program was trying to draw. We'll make a duplicate of that, move it over, and you don't have to, but I hit T to get them even. And then I'm going to go to blend 15 times because there's 17 of these. Hit apply, go and hit new path, put it on our path, blend along full path, and apply. You get the exact same results, but the circle's on a curve. So the real reason I made decided to make the video, is that the creator said yesterday, and notice I had this set on 10%. Well, if we make our circles 2 inches and have them 1 inch apart and we scatter them 25%, we could do this. And then what you would do, and that's too much. Maybe 1.5 inches apart. What he suggested this program is good for is to make like a cloud. We can ungroup those, try to take away our line, and then you can weld these. Well, I guess we need to group them. Well, I grouped too much. You shouldn't have to group them. They're individual. There we go, weld it. I might have, let me move this out of the way. Weld it, and then you can actually just take away that inside line and you have a cloud. And you can make the circles little, you can make the circles big, you could play with it quite a bit. And all I did to do that, I just made a couple of circles and threw them out there and making different shapes, and then weld these together. And then, well, that one didn't weld. Wonder why that one did. I did not grab it all. I need to move this out of the way. Grab it all and weld it. There we go. And then do the same thing with circles to curves. And it just, what the 25% does, it throws them offline. Some of them are inside, some of them are outside. Then you would just do like I did earlier, go to object, group, and ungroup, take away our line, and weld these, and take away, well, this isn't going to look that good, but take away the inside. That's okay. But then you could spin it and do everything you wanted to make a cloud of it, or just any other option you can come up with. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.